Hi there, this is Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1969 Series 2 fixed head coupe parts car, or very aggressive car for restoration to build back up. So Series 2 coupe, originally I believe it was painted dark green, British racing green with black interior. You can see here we just have the monocoque, the hatch, the rear hatch, the doors, and most of the front bonnet section pieces. This car came in a package with another car we bought, and so here it is. We're just selling this this project, this very aggressive project, or parts car. So it's a 69 Series 2 coupe. Pretty good bonnet bits. You can see here, if you price these bits individually, super expensive, but you know, this bonnet is probably 70-80% complete here. It's missing the underbelly panel, but it's the original bonnet for the car. The coupe shell itself has a pair of doors with a few bits of chrome. You can see the original VIN plate is still intact here. And we also have the data plate, which is really cool. We've got the original data plate with it. Sold on a bill of sale. This car needs some rust repair, as you can see. I'm walking around it now. Trunk's not horrible, but you know, this car, I believe we purchased it from Kentucky. So, you know, it's going to need some rust repair underneath, but it is a fixed head coupe. It is a Series 2, and originally good colors. Floors have been removed at some point, but you can see the extensive rust there. Just needs floors, rockers, things like that. The main rails on the car look good underneath, and this was a parts car the gentleman was using for his 62 flat floor coupe. We just bought this because it was available, and you know, we bought it, we shipped it, we just didn't want to see it go into the crusher, so we paid to have it shipped all the way to Kentucky, and hopefully we can find a home for it of some sort. But there's a lot of really good donor parts on this coupe shell, but you know, if you've got a guy that can do rust repair, and you've got an ugly rusty 2+2, you can convert it over to a coupe. So this can serve a bunch of different needs for anyone with an E-type. But yeah, really good bulkhead. It doesn't look like it's ever been damaged. All the edges look really nice and straight. But yeah, pretty decent car to donate or use for parts, or build up. The Utah market's a little soft right now, but you know, they're always going to come back, and this is always nice to have a super cheap coupe shell with a data plate and a VIN plate going forward. These are still going to be pretty valuable cars, and they're going to be worthy of restoration down the road. So, but yeah, there you have it. 1969 Jaguar E-type Series 2 fixed head coupe, monocoque shell with bonnet pieces. We've got the data plate. It's got the VIN plate on the windshield there. Originally British racing green, black, and it's for sale. It's sitting on this lovely dolly where it rolls along nicely. I'm sure we can package the bonnet parts into the car there, and if it's for export, we can get it down to the port and get it shipped out. And there it is for sale. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.